Some say patience is a virtue. Chewy says it's an extreme sport. Enter the feather. Pink, fluffy, uninvited. It dances. It mocks. It violates her personal space. But behold, Chewy, the clawed, and the patient. Proverbs 16:32 reminds us, better to be patient than powerful. But right now, Chewy is both. Her eyes say, I could destroy this feather. But her soul says, not today. Because true strength, it's not in the pounce. True strength is in the restrained paw. This is feline self-control. This is faith with flair. This is the Touchington Chronicles.